I was living in the van. I have this old Volkswagen van. And I was traveling around but was really looking for a base. But I didn't want to have a mortgage again. So I started exploring alternatives. And so my father knew somebody who was starting up this project. And so I kind of rolled into it and got lucky. There's about 30 houses here. They're not tiny, like ours is not really tiny, but some are. And most of them are just experimental or alternative way of living. And I think it's about 60 people living here, some children.
How do you find it?
I really like it. You?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really
I'm
nice.
enjoying every day here.
Yeah.
Now we'll show you a little bit our garden that we use to to get small trees to grow to later put into our food forest. So it's not a big garden, but it's kind of really full with plants, and I think right now we have throughout the year maybe more than 100 edible species in it.
And we have pigs. Their names are Karel and Baguette, like the French bread, baguette. And they're super cute. There were some people who had them, but they were moving and they couldn't take care of them anymore. So we took them, adopted them, and then made this little place for them.
So they're like a pet.
Yeah, they're like a pet. They're here for fun. We're not going to eat them.
And they're not going to eat us too.
Hopefully. So yeah, most of the plants you see are edible. This, for example, is a...
Yeah, I don't know the English word for it actually.
Eleagnus. It's like a berry. And here we have some strawberries.
Cherry tree.
A cherry tree.
And an almond tree. This one.
This is mess.
Blueberries. An apple.
And also
kiwis, but they're not doing so good.
But if you grow your food, you don't need to go shop.
Yeah, that's the plan. And mostly perennials, so we don't have to ruin the soil every time we want to plant something new.
Yeah.
But it's nice because when you look at the garden, it looks like a wild garden. But if you know where to look, there's a lot of edible stuff. This is our little blueberry hill.
And the strawberry hill.
And we also have strawberry fields.
These are gooseberries, I think. Yeah, they're not done yet.
Hazelnuts.
More apple trees.
A lot of pears.
Pears. Yeah.
We also are pre-growing these plants here because we have a space somewhere else where we are making a food forest. So when they get bigger, we take them to the food forest and then we put small plants here so we can take care of them here, and then when they're big enough they can go live somewhere else.
Yeah. I built a pizza oven here, but a while ago with the storm the chimney fell off. But it's easy fixed. It's just cob, so.
From what did you build it?
Yeah, those stones were just hanging around here on the terrain. So I used these as the structure and then filled everything with cob. And yeah, well, it's been outside the whole winter, so now it's kind of rained away a little bit, so I have to put on a new layer. But yeah, that's an easy job.
Nice project.
Yeah.
And we also have a little hidden area over here.
Right now it has been raining a little bit lately, so everything has...
It's gone wild.
Yeah.
But we actually made a little porch on the water side, but yeah.
You have another chimney there.
Yeah, we just got that stove from someone, so we can sit there and make a fire. So these chickens, we've also rescued them from somebody who wanted to just kill them because she didn't have time to take care of them anymore. So we took them and we made this little forest for them so they have enough shade. And they can run around on this terrain as well. in the back, so they have plenty of room. And we also have baby chickens right now, but I'm not sure where they are. We have 10 chickens, and now we have 8 baby chickens.
Yeah.
And we used to have a rooster, but he's gone, unfortunately.
Yeah. But probably the baby chickens will have a new rooster.
This is our T2 that I used to live in, and now we use it as a band car for our performances and also for our vintage shop. Actually, I was dreaming about having this particular van for a long time, and then I found an offer that was too good to be true, and I bought it and I got rid of the house, started living in the van. Was very nice. Thank you for watching our house tour, and we are Holy Fools, and you can find us on Instagram.
Bye.
Mary Jackson had a lamb and she fed it all the time, and I'm sure you won't believe what her parents made her do on Christmas Eve. Take the marble in your hand, look right through it at the man who's convinced you'll be just fine in the line of the fire. Passing me by on both sides, I'm addicted to the slow lane. Passing me by, that's alright, I'm addicted to the slow lane. Standing in the rain, always waiting for the train after working the whole day at 7-Eleven. He met a girl coming down from the other side of town, and she set up the alarms at the railroad station. Passing me by on both sides, I'm addicted to the slow lane. Passing me by, that's alright, I'm addicted to the slow lane. 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 I'm addicted to the slow lane.